What's up guys, it's Evans Octis and I got myself an unboxing of a microphone. A mini microphone for your camera or your phones and stuff. So this is some good stuff. Stay tuned now. Remember, if you want one of these products, look at the link below. I have you just use that same link right there and it'll take you to where I got this from. And hopefully you enjoy it. Now, this is from a product named Movo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Movo. And the model number is VXR10GY. This is a small portable microphone. I needed a new one for my camera. That's there. So I decided to get this one here. Now Rogue, is it Rogue? Yeah, Rogue has a small one like that, but it costs a couple of dollars extra. And I was being cheap. It's not that much different, but in price, but I was being cheap. Now inside the box, you get yourself a little pouch. You know, I mean, you can't hate on the pouch. I keep looking here because I have a monitor and thing there. I want to make sure it's recording and it looks good. And I should see audio is being played. Yeah. So anyway, it comes with a pouch. It's an okay pouch, I guess, if you don't want to keep it in the box because there's no transport. You don't want to transport this freely inside your bag swimming around. You want to keep it secure. Come with the pouch here. Come with the, what would you call this? You call this the shock resistant mount. So this will be with the camera hooked on too. So I'm pretty sure you can see the stuff. I don't know if I'm doing any B-roll. It comes with not only one cable, but it comes with two. They suggest on the bar and inside the manual that you use this here, the straight cable to use it on the phone, and for your camera use this one here with the coil on it. And I guess for the little flexing. Yeah. And the next thing you get is the camera. Now when it comes with the dead mouse on it, that's what it's called, dead cat or windshield. But let's see. Yeah, it comes with this. And it feels fluffy. Feel like some cushions inside of it as well. So outside is fluffy, and there's cushion and inside. You can't see it because it's all black, something like that. So let's put that right there. And the microphone itself is small. I mean, this is tiny, and it's made of metal. I don't know if you can just screw to get inside of it if you need to repair anything. Kind of tough. You know, you have the mic at the front, one input. Now the reason why I aim for the same particular type of mic is when I'm recording, I usually forget to turn the power on. So that's why right now I hope the power on, and that's why I put this monitor here so I can keep on seeing that the mic is on. Now I'll be back that I'm pretty sure that the audio and everything is working. It's on and percolating. Yes, sir. Now we're back. Like I said, this thing is made of metal. It's small. It don't have an on and off switch because I always make the mistake of not turning on my mic. So after the recording, I look at the recording and I'm like, shoots, I did not turn it on. Now, I mean, I like everything about it. In fact, I have a Panasonic G7 that I'm using to record this now, and the amp inside the G7 is kind of really loud. So this, you have to turn this down. So if you have a Panasonic G7 like me, what you need to do is you probably need to go inside the audio settings and set it down like to 12, negative 12, because negative 6, this still was peaking. That's how loud this is. And yeah, you want to turn it down. But anyway, like I said, those are all the stuff you get in here. This is a quick unboxing and review. Dead mouse goes back on like this. On the cat, oh, I didn't even show you, huh? Before we go. Okay, this is the mount for it, and it snaps on. Like, it has a little groove area here that it snaps on, so I guess however you want to put it. If you want to put the logo up or down, it's up to you. And you have to put a little force to get it on. And don't try to leave this free because you might break it. So try to hold it here while you do that, because you might break the mount here. And boom. So now this is how it looks on this. Unfortunately, I'm using the camera, so I can't show you how it looks mount on the camera. And then with a dead mouse or windshield or dead cat, whatever people use. I know there's a windshield. You know, so now it look like this. So picture my hand as the camera, okay? And then you have this little mic on top of it, so it's sexy. So this has been the unboxing. Put all this stuff back in. Okay, you can put it back in here with the, yeah, you can put it back with the mount on. Anyway, I'm going to leave it unboxed. Thank you guys. If you're interested in this product, It's cheap. I think it's like it's from $40 to 60. I guess whenever, it depends on what's going on at the moment. And you can find it on Amazon. That's where I get mine, and the links below. Click that because I get a little kickback if you do it there. So I'll see y'all later, and thank you for watching. Bye.